And to finalize, I want to cover LeoX. This is to unlock the future of luxury ownership with Galileo protocol. They have been doing 3x in the last month, so they are in a big pump right now. And LeoX total supply is 150 million tokens, very nice. Low circulating supply is in the market, that is not good. So from the 150, only 16 are in circulation. That is why also the price is a little expensive at this point. So the price is 62 cents. The all-time high was 75 cents. So we are almost at the peak right now. You can check here all the information. This project has been since April 2023, so it's really new. Never has been in a bull run. I really like the website, so it's really appealing, and you have a video and you have many information about how they tokenize luxury goods. This is very interesting.